Hi everybody, welcome to Champion Trading. What we're demonstrating for you today, this is the 2x5 Ross 3-roll mill. This one featured cord rolls. You'll see the inlet here for liquid into the rolls to cool them as operating. Of course, has the front scraping pan here. We're running it through this DC control. It is a DC motor. It does have a little swing over cover right here. Sits on top. Little safety. Has a master half horsepower motor. Adjustments for your roll position. This device swings out of the way with pressure down on top of whatever device was in there. The end plates are just sitting here floating in position. It's a tabletop design, as you can see. You'll need to provide a DC controller. We can get that for you. We have lots of equipment in process and packaging, so we do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com. And we look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us for this video today. And we look forward to hearing from you. Thanks again.